Is the thought of your prized sneakers getting damaged in transit giving you nightmares? Fear not, because today we're going to turn you into a StockX shipping pro, ensuring your sales sail through authentication with ease. First things first, box selection. Choose a sturdy, rectangular shipping box that's slightly larger than your sneaker box. Avoid flimsy or overly large boxes as they offer less protection and can lead to higher shipping costs. Remember, a snug fit is key. Next up, labeling. Affix the StockX shipping label clearly and completely on the largest surface of the box, making sure not to cover any seams or edges. Double-check that the barcode is scannable. Any damage or obstruction can cause delays. Now for the padding. Generously surround your sneaker box with bubble wrap or packing peanuts, ensuring there's cushioning on all sides. This is your item's first line of defense against rough handling during shipping. We want that box secure, not swimming around loosely. Don't forget your packing slip. Print out the StockX invoice and place it inside the shipping box on top of the bubble wrap or packing peanuts. This is crucial for identification and helps expedite the authentication process. Seal it tight. Use packing tape to completely seal all seams and edges of the shipping box. Reinforce the corners for added protection. Think of it as building a fortress around your precious cargo. Finally, drop off your package at the designated shipping carrier location within the specified time frame. Make sure to obtain a receipt as proof of shipment. Keeping that receipt handy just in case gives you added peace of mind. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll dramatically increase the chances of your items arriving safely and passing StockX authentication, safeguarding your seller reputation and ensuring smooth transactions. Happy selling!